There are plenty of websites out there designed to help you build your own website, website builder tools or website creator tools. The question is it the right choice for your website? That's what we're talking about today. Let's get into it. Along with traditional development techniques for web development, there are a number of tools out there, particularly those online, that claim to build a site for you in 20 minutes and it'll get your business off the ground. And that is true for a lot of cases. Is it perfect for every business though? My belief is not. These tools utilize sort of a framework of standard templates and components that you can drag and drop into your website to build ultimately what looks like a great website. But that doesn't necessarily mean that it's great for SEO or great for search in general. Anytime a tool is used that allows somebody with no experience to build a site, chances are you're going to miss some of the important details. So who are those builders right for? Well, if you've just launched a business, you have no capital, and you need to get a business card style website out there, something that you can refer people to when you speak to them, well then those tools work great because they are easy to put together and they are simple to manage. Down the road, however, you're going to find that very often they have limitations in terms of search. Because they're built with components that they drag off of a rack, that also means that they're not completely searchable by major search engines, because major search engines don't execute code to find out what's on your page. If you're going to buy into those tools, make sure you're using them for the right reasons. They're great for a landing page or a single one-off site that drives to a more detailed or well-constructed site. They're fantastic for startups and new businesses who simply need a way to communicate their address and their phone number and some of their information to new potential clients that you've achieved or received through traditional marketing means. And lastly, if you want a proof of concept to try something, these tools are fantastic for that. When you have a functioning business though, and a budget that's in place for that business, you're probably going to want to talk to somebody who has some experience in the world of marketing, who has some experience in the world of engagement and in click-through, and you're probably going to want to talk to somebody who's built a few sites, because your case is very likely similar to someone else's. There's no sense not taking advantage of that experience. That's this week's tip. I'm Greg from Mtek. Have a great week.